Hey everybody, welcome back to the Cryptic Chevy channel. Just wanted to do a quick video showing how you can roll down all the windows on your Chevy Silverado. I'm pretty sure that this works the same for anything between 2019 and 2023, although this is a 2023. Same type of operation, but you can roll down all your windows, which is pretty nice, especially in the summertime. You want to air it out a little bit, especially if you're not out at a public place, if you're family or friends and just want to get it cooled off a little bit. If it's been sitting, let some of that hot air out. But really simple to do. I'm just going to show you here on your key fob. You got your unlock. Hit it once, hit it again, hold it down, and there comes your windows down. Now it's really easy to do in the settings menu on the truck. I'm going to jump in, show everybody real quick how simple it is to do. It's just a matter of getting into your settings, and as soon as it starts up here, we're going to go into your vehicle setting. You scroll down to the bottom to remote lock, unlock, and start. Then you can see it on the bottom. You want to just make sure that remote window operation option is checked in green there, so that you can control the function of your all window roll down from your factory key fob. But that's it. Pretty easy to set up, pretty easy to control. Once on the unlock, second on the unlock hold, windows down. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Appreciate the support. Please like and subscribe. I'm open to suggestions, comments, ideas of what you'd like to see. I've done a lot of other things to the truck that I'm trying to get on YouTube slowly but surely and build the channel up. But I thank you for watching.